Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout, home workout. This is a common chair here, obviously, and I'm going to do a chest workout today using the chair. I'm going to do two different angles with the chair to try to target the muscles from different areas. Try to target different angles, the muscles from different angles. So there are a couple different hand positions that you can use with the chair when you're doing chest workout. I can do wide grip like this. I can do a little bit closer in grip, but or I can do hands together. If you're doing hands together for your hand positioning, it does make it quite a bit more difficult because you have to balance yourself. You have to really focus on balance while you're doing the chest workout. So in this workout, it just adds a little extra, a little extra bit of difficulty to it. I'm going to do the hand positioning close together today, and I'm going to do a close hand positioning, basically my hands together for both parts of the workout. Okay, so I cross one leg over the other and put my hands together, and just make sure you have maximum body weight on the exercise and on the chair. Okay, just do as many as you can. Again, with your hands together, you really have to focus on balance. It's not too difficult, though. As long as you have a sturdy chair, it's not too difficult. Just breathe normally. Keep your back straight. The first set is always easy. Okay. So just keep focused. Make sure your form is nice and tight, nice and straight. It'll be easy for a while, and then it'll get more difficult. And adding the two angles really adds an extra level of difficulty. Really ups the game. Okay, it's starting to get more difficult now. So just keep going. Okay, it's starting real difficult. All right, so try to max out as best you can these different levels, levels of failure. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this side of the chair, do a lower angle. I'm going to put my feet together again, and just do basically the same thing. Okay, and it's actually pretty difficult because I've already done another angle in the higher angle, and when I do this at the lower angle, it's really quite difficult because the muscles are already pretty worked out, and then you give it an extra challenge, which variation on the angle. Just make sure you keep your back straight as you're doing it. And then basically turn the chair around again. Give yourself a little bit of pause if you need it. But don't try to rest too long because with the home workout, the home body weight workouts, you want to keep them, make them as difficult as possible. Using angles and speed, rate, not resting too much between sets. And also doing a couple different angles, reverse angles, high angles, low angles, and also putting maximum resistance, using maximum resistance. So again, my hands together, one foot crossed over the other. Just push. Okay. And I'm really feeling that now. Even especially in the triceps. I'm feeling it in the chest, but I'm really feeling it in my triceps too, because my hands are close together. So it's really it's quite a challenge for the triceps. Obviously, a lot of pressure, a lot of resistance on them. Let's go for another one. Let's make sure your body weight, as much of your body weight as possible, is working against you. Oh. Okay. Turn that around. Okay, and then just take 1 second to catch my breath, and then go right into it. The lower angle. Resist, come up as fast as you can. Resist on the way down. And on the last one where you feel like you can't do another one, just try to hold it for a brief second, okay? So let's go one more time. Try to max out. Okay, try to hold on that last one as long as you can. And then, once you feel like you've reached that failure point on one exercise, then you go to the other one. One thing about switching angles like this too, is you fail on one exercise. You fail at one exercise. And then you go to the next one and your muscles feel a little bit slightly refreshed anyways. So you can tackle, you can do a few more, because your muscles, feel a bit refreshed at the different angle. Alright. This gives a nice high angle chest workout. Really works the lower chest. Oh, and also total chest, the lower chest primarily, which is this area, like the lower chest area. Okay. All right, so let's go one more time. All right. So going back and forth, getting harder and harder, with the different angles. But like I say, with the home workout, the bodyweight workouts, we try to make them as difficult as possible, as challenging as possible, because you don't have the benefit of the weights, adding an extreme amount of resistance to the muscles. So, just have to try to make them as difficult as possible with angles, body positioning, amount of, weight on the exercise. Doing the exercises quickly and making them as difficult as possible. All right? And trying to reach as many points of failure as possible. And hold on the way down, on the downward resistance, the negative resistance, hold on the way down. So I'm just going to keep going, try to reach as many points of failure as possible to make the exercise as challenging as possible and give myself the most benefit. Give my muscles the most benefit. Okay, I'm going to hold for a brief second. And it's actually getting... So, what I'm going to do is give a quick flex for about 20 seconds. Just to tear the muscles and give your muscles a little bit of extra definition. Okay, so I just flex for about 20 seconds, and just to add, tear my muscles a little bit more and add another, a little bit more definition and an extra point of contact with the muscles. Okay, and that should be about good enough. All right, so let's go one more time. And just hold, hold. Okay, let's switch over to this side. Okay, and to the high angle one more time. Try to place your body weight in a most difficult, most disadvantageous position. Okay, and that is actually getting pretty tough now. So, another quick break. Give my muscles a quick break. Do another quick flex. Tear the muscles. I won't even do 20 seconds this time. You can do 20 seconds each time. Once you've done it one time, you can just do it, as long as you want, really. Muscles are already pretty torn. All right. Floor. And again, you can just do as many as you can stand. If you're more beginner level, then you want to maybe limit it to maybe one or two, midterm points of failure, secondary. So don't go too crazy in the beginning. And just make sure your form is nice and tight, that you're not, moving back and forth, that you're not swaying, up and down really fast, jerking up and down, and jerking back and forth. All right, so I think I'm almost finished here. And you don't need to max out every time. It isn't necessary to max out with every workout. Just try to, make sure that you're working your muscles, well and effectively. Okay, that's getting pretty tough. All right, so what I'm going to do is just to, add a little extra challenge, extra level. Put my hands together, and I'm just going to put it at a midpoint in the exercise and just hold it as long as I can. And it gets pretty difficult at the end of the exercise. It's pretty tough to hold it. Okay, so let's go to the lower angle exercise, and hands together again, and then try a couple more. And that's actually getting pretty tough too. So what I'm going to do is just hold it at about the midpoint of the exercise. Okay, so that is about all my muscles can take for today, without risking injury. You want to get a good workout, but you definitely don't want to risk injury and risk being. Then you won't be able to work out for a while. You shouldn't be able to work out for a while. It's not wise to do that when you're injured. But anyway, so that is a pretty good chest workout. It's two angles. Just do them as, basically as quickly as you can. It takes me about 13 minutes, 14 minutes to do the whole exercise. And that's in between flexing and talking at the same time. All right, anyway, so this is Byron signing off. And just remember, everybody, you can get a great workout at home, just in your spare time, in the morning, in the afternoon, after work, what have you. And just stay motivated to work out at home, and everyone stay strong out there. And thank you for joining me once again. Bye-bye.